Friends, right now with us, Ruzal, the great cricketer, and he came with his problem. What were the problem? He will explain. Please, Ruzal, explain your problem.
Uh, for the past 3 years, I used to get major pains in groin, hip flexors, and lower back, and I've been struggling to bowl and sit and sleep normally.
Okay. So his father, Rajiv ji, will explain a little more. Please, Rajiv ji.
Yeah, good afternoon, audience. That's a very important message which I want to convey about rural issues. He's a student in Wellington School, UK. He's been a sports scholar, especially cricket scholar and a fast bowling scholar. And he was selected by Stephen Jones, who's a fast bowling coach of Rajasthan Royals. And last 2 years he developed groin injury. Initially, my advice is be careful about those kind of injury. He basically did not, focus more on this injury, how to avoid that. And we tried all possible treatments like physiotherapy, visiting to orthopedic doctors, and my advice is especially in this pelvic region, which is the most complicated region of the body, and because all parts comes together, and it's very difficult if you go to a wrong hand. After 2 years of a big struggle from all the top-notch doctors in allopathic region, we decided to come here, and Guruji has taken up this case as a issue, and therefore diagnosed, and he is now feeling very happy because his stiffness in this pelvic region was such a difficult situation for a fast bowler, because if your hip movements are not happening, you can't bowl fast. And he was 135 bowler at the age of 16 plus, and for last 2-3 years he's been just not able to bowl with just 4 or 5 steps. So with his efforts for the 10-15 days here, when he's going back on Monday, for the next 2 months he's expected to be back on the field, because all the stiffness is almost gone, and leg movement and leg flexibility is there. So this idea of communicating this message to the audience is that is a natural solution available in this world today. Don't jump in on something which is not going to help you on long-term basis. Is most of them in the market, they try to do something shortcut, and the end result is that you're not getting a sustainable result. This is pretty natural, and if it gets cured, you'll be in a very strengthened position, and which helps you to deliver what you want. So
Our treatment based on fascia.
yeah, so the fascia is the largest organ of the body, and that's how it's been blocked. That's Guruji has discussed. In fact, this is a topic which I also started picking up based on his advice. And if you understand about the fascia, if you do not know it, please understand that this is one of the most ignored part of the medical sciences, and he has been cleared. And especially for a sports person, this is very important, because you can manage your injuries within time in a natural way, which gives you a kind of a maneuvering ability to come out faster than any other treatments. Thank you very much.
So what we did, we actually unblocked the fascia blockage in the groin area and on all related area with the fascia acupuncture, bamboo file cupping with acupuncture. We use both together, and then bloodletting that area, fascia bloodletting, fascia peripheral nerve stimulation. All that help to open up and increase the flexibility, mobility, everything. And after all, maintaining that, we advise the movement, fascia movement, that is related, it is similar to the yogasana. So it is all revolves around the energy functioning, energy flowing, and that is the energy flowing in the network, that is fascia network. We working only on the fascia network. And what was the outcome, how he is feeling right now, he will explain.
Feeling much better. My groin's open now. My range of movement for stretches have improved. I'm sitting well, and I can sleep properly now. So it's much better.
So this is the outcome of fascia acupuncture, and rather it is complete treatment for any kind of sports injury or any kind of pain and any kind of stiffness in the whole body. You must communicate this message to others who are suffering. Thank you very much.